Hi, I am Hizer. In today's video, we will look at keyboard shortcut in Windows. Particularly, we will focus on window key. Let's start. The very first key is window key itself. Let's see what we can do with window key. Window key is particularly used for open and close start. I press window key, you can see it's open start, and again press window key, it will close it. The second key is window key plus A. When I press window key plus A, it will open an action center. Fine. When I press window key plus B, it will set notification area. You can see here. Fine. When I press window key plus C, it will open Cortana listening mode. You can see here it's open a Cortana listening mode. I'm cancelling it. When I press window key plus E, it will open file explorer. You can see here. When I press window key plus F, you can see what happened. It opened the feedback hub to take screenshots. Fine. I'm again cancelling it, closing it. Okay. Now, what we can do with window key plus G? It's very important. Whenever you are playing games or you want to record something, you can use this key. Now, window key plus G. It will open all the gaming mode that is available in Microsoft Windows. Fine, you can see here. Fine, I'm just clicking on my screen to close all of them. Now if we want to detect something, what we have to do, we have to press window key plus H. It will start dictation. You can see now it's initializing it, and as it finish initializing, it will listen whatever I am speaking and it will dictate it. Fine, I'm closing it. Our next key is window key plus I to open setting. Window key plus I to open setting. You can see it open the settings. Fine. Our next key is window key plus K. If you are in a network, it will give you information about the network. Fine. Our next key is window key plus L to lock our screen. Means whenever you are using something and you are going somewhere, and to protect your computer from unauthorized use or unauthorized access, you may think someone can harm your computer or things like that. First of all, you should encrypt your computer with a password, and whenever you want to leave, you should press window key plus L. It will lock your screen. Fine. As it lock your screen, now you can press any key, and you have to write the password or any security code or any pin to open your screen again. Fine. Our next key is window key plus M. Let's see, I'm opening many tabs. Now to minimize all the tabs, what we have to do, window key plus M, it minimize all the tabs at once. Fine. Okay, if you are presenting something on a projector or somewhere, you have to do some type of settings. Like if I press window key plus P, it will open projector setting. Like I want to duplicate it, I want to extend it, or I want to use second screen only. We used to use these duplicate settings. Fine, to see our screen on our laptop and as well as on projector as well. Fine. Our next key is window key control and Q. Window key control and Q to open quick assist. Fine. Now if we want to run a dialog box, what we have to do, we have to press window key plus R. You can see it's open quick assist. Now I'm closing it. Window key plus R. Now you can see it run the dialog box. I can search anything that I want to search. Now if I press window key plus S, what it will do, it will open search. Window key plus S, you can see I can search anything. I can search for any device. Like I write printers, it gives me options about printers. Fine. Our next key is to take the screenshot of our screen, and it's very much important because we used to do many type of thing, and many time we want to take a screenshot to save our work. Now here's a solution. When we have, what we have to do, window key shift and S, it will open a screenshot panel, and it's asking about to take the screenshot. I select the area for which I want to take the screenshot, and it will capture the screenshot, and here it will show me a notification that your screenshot has been captured. Fine. Our next key is window key plus T. We use window key plus T to cycle through the app on taskbar. You can see here, now I'm pressing window key plus T. You can see here I can cycle this on taskbar. Fine. Now our next key is window key plus U to open the edge of access center. Window key plus U. You can see it's open the edge of access center. I'm again minimizing it. Our next key is, if we have something copied on clipboard, like you have seen that I have taken the screenshot, it already copied in on my clipboard, and any other thing is, if I already copied it on my clipboard, I can see through this command. What we have to do, I have to press window key plus V. You can see it's showing me all the options that I have copied on my clipboard. Fine. Our next key is cycle through the notification bar. What do we have to do? Window key, shift and V. This is our notification bar, and when you press these keys, you can cycle on your notification bar as well. Fine. Oh, if you want to open the quick link menu, what we have to do, window key plus X, it will open quick link. You can see here, like I want to open the task manager, I want to change some type of setting, file explorer, search, run, we can do it from here. This is very much important and very simple and very attractive panel. If I'm writing something and I want to add emojis in my document or in my messages, fine. What I have to do, I have to press window key plus period plus semicolon. Then it will open this menu that we can use these emojis in our document. Fine. Okay. If you want to temporarily pick your desktop, what you have to do, you have to press window key plus comma key. You can see that time duration, I press both of the buttons, it temporarily pick the desktop. Fine. Our next key is window key plus pause to display the screen property dialog box. On your keyboard, on the top right side, we have 6 buttons. Here you will find the button of pause. Now I'm pressing window key plus pause. You can see it open system settings as well. Fine. Okay. Search for the PCs if you are in a network. If I am in a network, I want to search it for the PCs. What we have to do, window key, control and F. Currently I'm not in a network, that's why it's showing this error, window key, control plus F. It's saying you are not in a network or you are not in any domain currently. Fine. Okay, our next key is, if I have minimized all of my screen and I want to restore all the minimized screen that we have seen earlier. By pressing window key plus M, I can minimize all the screen, but by pressing window key shift M, I can restore all the screen. First I'm minimizing all the screen, then I will restore them. Window key plus M. Now window key shift M to restore all the settings. Fine. Okay. If you want to open something that are available here in taskbar and you don't want to click there directly and you want to do something quickly, what do you have to do? You have to press window key and the number or that particular app that you want to open. Fine. I am pressing window key plus, let's suppose I press 7. You can see the app on number 7 will load on the screen and will open. You can count. Excel is on number 7 and it open Microsoft Excel. Fine. Okay, open task view. if you want to see that how many tasks you have opened, and if you want to move one window to another window, you can press this window key plus tab. You can see it is showing all the tasks view here. Fine. Okay, if you want to minimize the window, then what you have to do, you have to press window key plus up arrow, window key plus up arrow. Let's pause. I am here, window key plus up arrow. Fine. Or we can minimize or maximize things like this. And what we can do with to remove the current tab from the screen and minimize the desktop window, what we have to do, window key plus down arrow, you can see. And if I want to use dual screen, means I in half screen I want to use Microsoft PowerPoint, and in other screen I want to use internet, that what I have to do, I have to press window key plus right arrow or left arrow. On the other hand, I can open any other application. Fine. Like I'm here again, opening it. Now you can do it from the left as well, and on the left panel you can do the same thing. Fine. Okay, if you are typing some document and you want to use multiple language, like I'm writing in English, and after that I want to change my language to any other language like Urdu, like any other language, German, anything. And what I have to do, I have to press window key plus spacebar. You can see here, just focus here. Here now it's showing Urdu, and if I press window key plus spacebar, it will change it to English. Again, if I press this and this, it will change them. Fine. Now if you want to turn on the narrator, what you have to do, window key control enter, window key control and enter. It will open or turn on the narrator.
Starting narrator dialog.
You can see. Button. If you want to turn off narrator, you can turn off it.
Exiting narrator.
Now it's enough. Now last but not least, we really use this shortcut whenever we are working on very small type of fonts. We use to magnify them. What we have to do, I have to press window key plus icon. It will open magnifier. I can magnify the things or demagnify the things as well. Fine. I'm again magnifying to 100% and closing it. It's all about today's video. If you like this video, then please tell. And if you want this type of key on Windows 7, Windows 8.1, you can ask me in a comment, and I will make another video for the combination of this shortcut. Like today we looked at the window key plus other buttons. In our next video we will look at like what we can do with alt, combination of alt key, combination of control and shift key, and what we can do with functions keys. Fine. And that's all about today's video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend, that they can get the ease of access using Windows. Fine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.